YouTube thumbnails. Hard to do, very important. Let's do it for free, Content Evolve style. Let's dive in. All right, so today's tutorial is simply how to make good looking YouTube thumbnails in Content Evolve fashion, which is free. We are in Google Slides, which is completely free to you and me as well. The first thing you would do, go to slide, new slide, you'd get rid of this, and there you're on a blank slate. Now, I will say when it asks you what size, when you first make your presentation, so to speak, you want to make sure it's 1280 by 720 pixels. I'll put that in the description below as well, just to cover our bases. So in case you're wondering, I know I actually look at what format YouTube thumbnails are in quite often, even though I make quite a bit. Anyhow, insert. I am going to use a parallelogram, so you're going to find it in the shapes. You can see this shape right here. This is actually the parallelogram, and I kind of format it to where it lets me get this slanted effect on the screen that you see in quite a few of these thumbnails. And then what I did here was I just added a line. So I inserted a line, I drew it across, I made the border thicker so it pops out. Now I am going to add an image I want to use for this thumbnail. Okay, so I can preview over here, so I know where it's going to cut off at, which is fine with me. It's about the edge of this ruler right here is where it typically cuts out on. I can actually keep it right where it's at, and I'm okay with that. So just in case I didn't say, that we're actually making the thumbnail for this video. Next, I'm going to add my word art. So catchy title, so I could just say like Google Slides, change it to the font I want to use. I'm going to make this a black, a 3. Get pop up a little bit. Then I'm going to change the color of this. Thinking, I go here. This kind of pops out, right? And I want to say find an image. So I'm going to search the web. This is the cool thing about Google Slides, is that I can actually type in YouTube logo transparent. Then you insert it. Here is make sure it's transparent, which it is, which is awesome. That means that's less work that I have to do. Okay. Then I wanted to put, I'll just put like thumbnail maker. Same font. I want to kind of keep it uniform, so I'm going to use the same kind of style here. Hey guys, Future Tyler here. I just wanted to make sure that everyone was on the same page about text on your thumbnail. You don't want to oversaturate your thumbnail with text. And when you do put text on your thumbnail, you want to make sure it's all the same font to keep it uniform and looking professional. Back to the video. So there you have it. Our thumbnail is complete. Really simple to do. You can obviously go way more in depth with this and do it your own flair, your own style, which I highly recommend. The last thing we would do is go to download PNG, and now we have our thumbnail. It's that simple. You too can use Google Slides to make simple thumbnails that still have good looking quality, especially when you're first starting out. Obviously, this is just a good practice, a good stepping stone, I'll say, to prepare you for your future thumbnails. But we hope that you enjoyed the video, learned something new, and we'll see you in the next one when more content is being evolved.